Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Stacy and this is She Living. So we are officially going to be doing our first RV barbecue. So right now Marco is actually fixing the air fryer and connecting the grill, and let me show you. So the trailer actually came with that mini fridge and with this grill. It already came pre-seasoned as well. I'm not going to touch it because we just cleansed it as well and re-seasoned it. And then Mark already turned it on. So a funny or cool thing that I've learned about RVs is that with this one, it's connected to the gas thing for the trailer. And then this right here, it's an electrical air fryer. And this one, we just have plugs in there. We just plugged it in. And then this one is our little mini fridge right here, as you can see. It's really cool because it's already automatically cold. As you can see, it has a little tray over here. And then a little cooler up here in case we want ice cubes. And then it has space down here. More space on the sides. And that's pretty much it for this part. Hi, buddy. What do you want, Papa? Hey, bud. Bobby put the chair for you over here. Come here. Come here. And Marco just set up his little mini chair with his little umbrella so he's not in the sun. Alright, so I'm going to be setting this one up. Bless you. I think we need him to sit down. Yeah, we need him to sit down for it to work. Marco, what are you doing over there? Setting up 2 more chairs. Oh, nice. I like these. Where did you get these ones from? Big Five? The man of the hour. Hi, Papas. It's for you, sir. Do you want to take a seat? Okay, go ahead and take a seat. Oh, oh, oh. Wow. Do you like it? Yeah? I think he likes it. I think he approves. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's try to fix it. Take a seat. Good job. He loves it. You like it? Yeah, I know. Pretty cool. Marco's putting the awning out. You can see Marco right there.
Okay, there's still.
Now setting up the table. Oh, thank you for being so helpful. And this is how our burgers are coming out so far. And Mark already put in the French fries in the air fryer. Yummy, yeah. Now adding the tablecloth. What is it? Now I'm going to be getting the tomatoes and the onion from the fridge. From the what? Okay. Thank you, buddy. Came with the glass. And I put the onion and everything down here. Let's move this over here. Get the onion and the tomato. Let's get a knife. To wash the tomato. Now I'm going to be taking out the plates and all the condiments and everything that we need. So this is where the plates are. And then also need napkins and the ketchup. This guy's already eating some popcorn as an appetizer. And then let's get started on cutting these. Marco took out the buns. Thank you. Then We finally stocked up the fridge, so we turned it on, we added our sodas, and then we put our condiments in here. To cut up the vegetables. So this is the best that I could do. We're actually not eating tomatoes, so we're leaving this one out. I might just eat it as whole, but not on my burger. Now let's just sit down and enjoy the sunset, guys. And we are adding the cheese to our burgers. Marco is frying his burger patty. I don't like it fried. Let's prepare my burger now. Let's put this in the fridge outside. Okay, condiments. So I'm going to add some of this mayo. Now to add.
Marco.
Hey, do you want me to put them on yours?
No, let's put them first.
Okay, that's fine. The sodas. Thank you. And this is my burger and fries. Alright. Now we're just going to go on a walk. So let's go to the truck. Yeah. Hey, careful. Are you okay? Alright, let's go. So it's actually kind of cold right now. Well, Marco doesn't think it's cold, but I do. That's why I'm wearing a sweater, and this guy's wearing a sweater too. You don't think it's cold? It's probably around the 70s, guys. You're over there. Good choices, bud. We walk. So this right here is where you can actually bring your boat and go into the river. So there's like a little lagoon, this lagoon in here, but then it'll take you straight to the river on the other side. Oh, it smells like firewood too. Our neighbors have already started their little bonfire. See the river moving. Careful. So we're just sitting here on the bench right now, and we were just talking about how there's sand here, and it's like actual beach sand. It's not like hard like tierra, you know. It's not just like the dirt that, you know, you find anywhere. It's like the actual sand that you would find in the beach. See? So if you walk barefoot, it actually is nice on the feet because it's literally just sand. Did it get filled up last time? Last weekend?
No.
Alright, so we're going to head back to the trailer, and this is where I'm finishing the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you would consider subscribing, I would really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye!